Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the world of online marketing, offering new opportunities for affiliate marketers to promote high-quality products and services that use AI technology. In this video, we will explain what Affiliate AI Program is, how it works, and how you can join and earn commissions from some of the best AI affiliate programs available today. What is Affiliate AI Program? Affiliate AI Program is a type of affiliate marketing that involves promoting products and services that use artificial intelligence or machine learning technology in a significant capacity. Affiliate marketers earn commissions when they refer customers to the AI companies through their unique affiliate links. Affiliate AI Program is a lucrative and growing niche as AI tools have become integral to modern business operations, providing innovative solutions that enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve decision-making processes. For example, AI-powered data analysis, customer service, content generation, SEO optimization, video editing, and audio creation are some of the areas where AI tools have had a significant impact. How does Affiliate AI Program work? Affiliate AI Program works similarly to any other type of affiliate marketing. The basic steps are: find an AI product or service that you want to promote and sign up for its affiliate program. You will receive a unique affiliate link that tracks your referrals and commissions. Create content that showcases the benefits and features of the AI product or service. You can use various formats such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, email newsletters, etc. Make sure to include your affiliate link in your content and encourage your audience to click on it and try out the product or service. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase or signs up for a free trial, you will earn a commission from the AI company. The commission rate and payment method may vary depending on the affiliate program. Track your performance and optimize your strategy. You can use various tools and metrics to measure your traffic, conversions, earnings, and ROI. You can also test different types of content, offers, headlines, keywords, etc. to see what works best for your audience and niche. How to join and earn from the best AI affiliate programs? There are many AI affiliate programs that you can join and earn from. However, not all of them are worth your time and effort. You should look for AI affiliate programs that offer decent commissions, a long cookie life, a quality product or service, a solid reputation with customers, and a track record of paying out its affiliates. To help you get started, here are some of the best AI affiliate programs that you should join in 2023. GetResponse. GetResponse is a top contender in affiliate program discussions. It's a robust email marketing platform tailored for businesses of all sizes, affiliate marketers, coaches, and more. Users benefit from features like email marketing, autoresponders, landing pages, SMS marketing, live chats. SEMrush. SEMrush is a digital marketing toolkit offering insights and analytics for SEO, content marketing, advertising, and social media management. It uses AI to help users optimize their online presence. AnyWord. AnyWord is an AI-powered copywriting tool for high-performing marketing copy. It helps users generate engaging headlines, slogans, captions. ProWriting Aid. ProWriting Aid is a grammar and writing assistance tool that uses AI to help users improve their writing style. Pixlr. Pixlr is a graphic design tool that uses AI to help users create stunning images. DeepArtFX. DeepArtFX is a graphic design tool that uses AI to transform photos into artworks. WriteSonic. WriteSonic is a content writing tool that uses ChatGPT to generate high-quality content for various purposes. Surfer. Surfer is an SEO optimization tool that uses AI to help users rank higher on Google. Frase. Frase is a content writing tool that combines Jasper and Surfer at a much lower cost. These are just some examples of the many AI affiliate programs that you can join and earn from. You can find more by doing your own research or checking out the resources below. Affiliate AI Program is a great way to make money online by promoting products and services that use artificial intelligence or machine learning technology. It is a lucrative and growing niche that offers many opportunities for affiliate marketers who want to stay ahead of the curve and provide value to their audience. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.